HealthPlus Pharmacy Honest review. Watch before using. HealthPlus Pharmacy is a leading pharmaceutical retail chain nationwide. It offers prescription and over-the-counter medication, personal care products, and wellness services with over 60,000 stores nationwide. It aims to provide accessible healthcare solutions. And here are the key features about this platform, which is HealthPlus Pharmacy. So one of the key features is to provide a wide range of pharmaceutical and wellness products. They also provide professional pharmacists available for consultation, and also multiple stores location across nationwide. Also, they provide online and in-store shopping option. And here are the pros and the cons about this platform. Their pros is they provide easy, accessible location in major cities. They also offer genuine and high quality medication. They also provide well-trained pharmacists for customers' guidance, and also they provide competitive price on many products. And here's the downside of this platform. Some customer reports occasional stock shortage, and employees review mention micromanagement issue and long wait times in busy stores. And here's the final verdict about this platform. HealthPlus Pharmacy is a reliable option for pharmaceutical needs, offering quality medication and professional services. However, some operational challenges like stock availability and customer service delay could be improved. If convenience and professional advice matters to you, it is a solid choice.